ballerina. He's got the look. Do your assemble. That's a plie. Assemble is when one leg goes up and they come back together and you jump. What's that? Tomorrow!
I want to go see it.
What's that tomorrow? Maybe we can see it.
Look at that. We can go see if we have the tickets.
I guess these dishes will have to wait.
Tomorrow. It's tomorrow.
Dawn takes grease out of your way, so get done. Get done. You gotta think outside the box. Now you can talk. Verizon Wireless. Get 100 messages a month. Try it for only $2.99.
These are what I'm gonna do on the other dances, Mom.
If you thought the creator of Buffy gave you blood to vampires,
What's this?
wait till you see what
I think this is the alien show.
Yeah, I think we shouldn't be watching that.
Linda!
I think we need to comb your hair.